Need to combine multiple PDF files into one? Let's make it super easy. Welcome to Passionate About Tech. I'm here to show you how to merge PDFs using PDF24 Toolbox, a free and secure tool. Let's get started and merge those PDFs. First, let's get the PDF24 Toolbox app. Go to PDF24.com link in the description. On the home page, click Download at the top. Choose the version for your computer, Windows, Mac or Linux, and click to download. It's free, safe, and works on any computer. After installation, launch the app. You'll see a clean interface with tools like Merge PDF. We'll use that soon, but let's try the online method first. If you're finding this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Passionate About Tech. I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers, and your support means the world. Let's keep going! Back on PDF24.com, click Merge PDF under the Tools section. You'll see a box. Click Choose Files. I like saving my PDFs to my desktop for easy access. Select your file, hold Shift on Windows or Command on Mac to pick multiple ones, like 3 reports. Click Open to upload them. They'll appear in the tool. If the order isn't right, like Part 2 should be first, drag and drop to reorder them. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Need another file? Click the plus sign to add more. When ready, click Merge. After a moment, a download button appears. Click it to save your combined PDF. It'll go to your Downloads folder. Double-click to open it. Your PDFs are now one file. This method is quick and free, but let's try the app for more control. Now let's use the PDF24 Toolbox app for a more secure option. Great for sensitive files like tax documents. Open the app and click Merge PDF. A window pops up. Click Add Files. Select your PDFs, like the same 3 reports, and click Open. They'll list in the app. Reorder them by dragging if needed. 1, 2, 3. Click Merge to combine them. Choose where to save it. I'll pick my desktop and name it Combined PDFs. Click Save. The app creates a smaller file. Mine went from 3 megabytes to 1.5 megabytes. Open it to check everything's merged perfectly and it's ready to share. There you go, how to combine PDF files into one using PDF24 Toolbox. We've merged PDFs online with their website and used the app for a secure option with compression. Now you can organize your files like a pro. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Drop a comment. What PDFs are you merging? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tech tips. Keep organizing and have fun.